Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in yet another hotel, and this is the Lotte City Hotel Kinshicho in Tokyo, Japan. And we'll start off here in the bedroom area. The bed here is like a queen size bed, and they do give you 2 robes. The thermostat, they let you control the air conditioning. You set the temperature and you can set it to auto or low, high, or turn it off. This is the summertime, so having the temperature set quite low to keep it cool, because outside it is terribly hot and humid. Along the headboard there, you have a shelf with outlets on either side, and you also have a clock here that shows the temperature. I'm sorry, it shows the date, and oh yes, it does show the temperature there. And then you have the light controls for the room. The room itself is actually quite dark, even with all the lights on. This is the air purifier and the humidifier combined into one. And because we are in a Lotte property, and Lotte owns this koala snack, they give you a pillow shaped like the chocolate-filled koala cookies they make. This is facing the train station. It's dark outside, so there's really not much to show out there at the moment. It's a small table in front of the couch area. It does have wheels, so you can slide it around if you'd like. Over here they have their tissue box and water bottles. You get 2 water bottles daily, your electric kettle and cups. Down in the lobby they have coffee and tea, which you can grab as you wish. And then here's the very tiny refrigerator. When you check in, they do give you 2 Lotte chocolates, but they used to refill them, but I guess they don't anymore daily, so I guess once you eat your 2 chocolates, that's it for your trip. This is the small work desk area with your telephone, lamp, and then this folds out into a vanity mirror. You can see here. The drawer just has some literature about the hotel, and they give you a pen as well as some other information here. The rewards program. And actually they're calling echo cleaning, which means they only clean every other day. Otherwise you have to request it. The echo cleaning is basically just giving you new towels. They don't actually enter your room to do any cleaning. You can see some more literature there. A small stool in front of the desk area, and your trash can. For the TV, they give you different channels, and you can also hook up your device to mirror your screen or watch YouTube or other streaming services. And then this is the deodorizer for your clothes, which comes in handy. The whole hotel is non-smoking. And then your luggage rack is right here. You do get this shade which you can pull down, which separates the entryway from the bedroom area. And next we'll move on to the entryway and the bathroom. And here in the entryway is a full-length mirror right in front of the bathroom door. Then as you enter the bathroom, pretty standard Japanese hotel bathroom. A lot of Japanese hotel bathrooms will come with a tub because that's what the Japanese like to do. They like to actually shower, and then after they shower, they will soak in the bathtub. Your fancy toilet seat here with many features. Spray bidet, you can control the water pressure. 2 toilet paper roll holders. Your hair dryer. And then they include your face hand soap, body wash, hair conditioner, and shampoo. The room comes with 2 hand towels and 2 bath towels. Oh, there is also a trash can down here for the bathroom. For the entryway, they have a clothes press here, which I've never actually used before. I have stayed in this hotel prior to this video, however, again, I didn't use the clothes press. In the entryway, there's a shelf above the hanger area. Originally there was a basket there, but just put an empty suitcase up there. And then different styles of hangers. Below is where your slippers normally go, laundry bag, and then the in-room safe. I'm sorry, the lighting is very poor in the entryway area. And then you get your shoe accessories. You've got a brush and a shoehorn. This is room 1405, as you can see the floor diagram there. And your do not disturb magnet, which you can place on the outside of the door when you do not want to be disturbed. And that pretty much does it for this hotel room tour. You can join me for another one in the future. Thank you.